Spoken English is very important in today's world. It helps us in many ways in our daily life. English is called an international language. People in many countries use English to talk. If we learn English, we can talk to anyone in the world. Spoken English helps us in school and college. Many good books are written in English. Most websites and videos use English. If we understand spoken English, we can learn more. Spoken English also helps us in jobs. Many companies want workers who can speak English. If we can speak English, we can get better jobs. We can also work online like freelancing or teaching. Speaking English gives us confidence. We feel good when we can talk to others clearly. We can join meetings, speak to new people, and share our ideas. It helps us make friends from other countries. English is also helpful when we travel. If we go to another country, English helps us talk to taxi drivers, hotel workers, and shopkeepers. Even in our own country, many signs and mobile apps use English. So, knowing spoken English helps us understand these things. Some people feel shy or afraid to speak English, but we don't need perfect English. We just need to try. We can start with small sentences. We can practice every day for 5 to 10 minutes. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. The more we speak, the better we become. Learning spoken English is not very hard. It needs time, practice, and patience. You can learn English by watching videos, reading simple texts, or talking with friends. You can also use apps or talk to AI like ChatGPT. In short, spoken English is a useful skill. It helps us grow in life. It opens new doors for study, work, and success. So, let's start today. Let's speak with courage. Let's speak with confidence. Because spoken English is your friend now and in the future.